Hi, I'm Michelle from Modern House Numbers. I'm here today to talk to you about the best, most popular locations to install your numbers. There are 4 areas. First, your entryway. Above your door or to the side of your door under a light works great. Second, your garage. Above your garage or to the side also works well. Third, a site wall or landscape wall or planter is a great option too. And fourth, if you have a freestanding element at your house, like a fence or perhaps a mailbox post, that's a good location too. The key is visibility, both day and night. In fact, a lot of our customers purchase 2 sets of numbers, one set for the house and one set close to the street. Get Modern House Numbers. Make your guests and delivery drivers happy.